this brand to replace Kia Sportage brake light. Còn lại hành động gì? Okay, there you go. Okay. And then just open this, and then replace this thing here. Oops. With the new one. Why it's not working? Okay, just twist it and then just put it back. That's how easy is this. Should be done in less than 3 minutes. The brake light is the top one, so I always replace the wrong one, so now I just fix it the other ones. Early when I replaced the wrong one, but still less than 3 minutes. All right, that's it. Thank you. Okay, and then make sure there's a clip here. Clip underneath here and here. Put it back into that thing. And then just screw back. That's it. It should be done in less than 3 minutes. Okay, there you go. Perfect.